Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Now I active China device. Show three tools. Now 100% China device. Now active. Now first of all, you must be working your another phone. Connect these apps. I link no problem. Already Apple Store available. Now okay. Now I send ID. No problem. Anyone. My group member. Now ID, this ID student ID. Now okay. Now another, use another account. Now same password. Now sign in. Don't connect Wi-Fi first of all. Flash and just this phone connect. No connect my phone Wi-Fi first of all. You check. You show. I show all now. Check. No connect. Now logging. Now working good. Now first step. Now connect any country. No problem. You choose your country. No problem. Sorry for blur. Now continue. Now it's check. Scan this. Now okay, done. Scan complete. Now it is all data show. Now wait. Now okay. Now continue. It is iPhone. Okay. Now my phone on. Now go to PC and first connect internet. Choose any country, no problem. I connect my Wi-Fi. Now already connect my internet and go PC. I already show this device Chinese 100%. Now I just active. I already registration my SN serial number. Now active. Now working. You must be connect and show your device must be connect internet before active. Okay. Now okay. My working. Okay. Show my desktop. I close my phone.